Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the Transnovo retractable VR head strap with a 6000 mAh battery, designed for the Oculus Quest 2. In this video, we'll delve into the features and benefits of this VR head strap, helping you make an informed decision if it's the right accessory for your gaming experience. One of the key selling points of the Transnovo VR head strap is its user-friendly installation and adjustment process. It features a one-button adjustment and a 360-degree rotation button, allowing you to customize the size of your VR headset quickly and effortlessly. Achieve the perfect fit in just seconds, ensuring a comfortable gaming experience right from the start. Comfort is crucial during extended VR gaming sessions, and Transnovo understands that. This head strap is designed with an ergonomic shape that fits your head comfortably and securely. Say goodbye to discomfort and enjoy an immersive VR adventure without any head strap-related issues. The Transnovo VR head strap goes a step further in enhancing your gaming comfort. It redistributes the weight of your VR headset from your face to the top of your head, reducing pressure and fatigue on your face and neck. You'll be able to play for longer periods without discomfort. Perhaps one of the most exciting features of this product is its built-in 6000 mAh battery. This means double the playtime for your VR headset, offering up to 6 hours of uninterrupted gaming. The USB-C interface ensures convenient charging, allowing you to indulge in extended gaming or movie watching sessions. Quality matters, and Transnovo has used high-quality materials, including TPU silicone and PU leather, to ensure a soft, breathable, and durable design. It also comes with a detachable and washable sponge pad, making maintenance a breeze. To wrap it up, the Transnovo retractable VR head strap with a 6000 mAh battery is an excellent accessory for Oculus Quest 2 owners. Its ease of installation, comfortable fit, improved weight distribution, extended playtime, and premium materials make it a valuable addition to your VR gaming experience. If you're looking to enhance your comfort and playtime with your Oculus Quest 2, this product is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's product critique video. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this product, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.